In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Respected elders, dear brothers and sisters, today I stand before you with a very important message, a message that can change our lives if we truly understand it. That message is punctuality and time management. Time is not just minutes and hours, it is life itself. Every second that passes will never return again. Allah has given us time as a trust, and on the day of judgment, we will be asked how we spent it. Dear brothers and sisters, punctuality is not just a habit. It is a sign of success. Discipline, and strong character. A punctual person is respected everywhere. He is trusted in school, valued in work, and honored in society. Look at the system of Allah Almighty. Everything is perfectly on time. The sun rises exactly when it should. The moon follows its path without delay. And even the seasons come and go in perfect order. This teaches us a powerful lesson. This teaches a powerful lesson. A believer should never be careless with time. Unfortunately, many people waste their precious time in laziness, delay, and useless activities. But remember, every wasted minute is a lost opportunity. Success does not come to those who wait. It comes to those who act on time, then start valuing time. Wake up on time. Never delay your duties on time. Even your prayers in Islam are fixed at specificities. Even your prayers in Islam are fixed at specific times. This itself is the greatest lesson of punctuality. Let us promise today that we will become responsible, disciplined, and punctual individuals. May Allah, we respect time, time will respect us.